In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your TradingView chart by enabling sharing and copying your chart link. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. The goal is to generate a shareable link to a chart you're looking at so others can open it exactly as you see it. First, open TradingView in your browser. When the home page loads, look toward the top navigation bar and find the option labeled Products. Click that, and from the drop-down, choose Supercharts. This takes you into the full featured charting interface, which is where we'll turn sharing on and grab the link. Once your chart is open, head to the top right area of the screen where your chart's name appears. This is the title of the layout you're currently using. Right next to that name, there's a small drop-down menu icon. Click it to reveal additional options related to your current chart layout. Inside this menu, look for an option called Sharing. You'll see a toggle you can turn on. Go ahead and switch it on. As soon as sharing is enabled, a new option labeled Copy Link will appear just below the sharing toggle. Click Copy Link and TradingView will place the shareable link on your clipboard. That means it's ready to paste anywhere you need it, into a message, an email, a document, or your team's chat. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see the sharing option, make sure you're actually in the Supercharts interface and that the drop-down you opened is the one directly next to your chart name at the top right. Also, ensure you're signed in to your TradingView account, since sharing is tied to your saved chart layouts. If you have multiple chart layouts, double-check you're enabling sharing on the layout you want to send. After copying the link, it's a good idea to paste it into a note or a browser tab to confirm it opens correctly. Anyone with the link should be able to view the chart the way you've set it up, including your indicators and time frames. If you ever need to stop sharing later, you can return to the same drop-down next to your chart name and toggle sharing off. That will effectively disable the link, and that's it. Open TradingView, go to Products and choose Supercharts, use the drop-down next to your chart name, turn on sharing, and click Copy Link. You've successfully created a shareable TradingView chart link ready to send.